There is no better way to start the day than with a cup of freshly brewed coffee. So why not take your coffee experience to the next level and set up your own coffee station for a modern and organized kitchen? You will have everything you need to make a perfect cup of coffee. Follow these simple steps to create your personalized coffee corner. Make sure you have the following materials. Coffee doesn't need much. Some like it black, but most drinkers use 3 basic ingredients that give shape to the flavors of a good coffee. The ingredients? Milk, sugar, and flavored syrup. We're using a ready-to-use multiple level organizer to have a clean and modern look to build our coffee corner and store our essentials. Then we choose 3 small glass bottles with pouring spout and matching pot and flagon where you can place your milk, sugar, and syrup. You can always add more if you into more flavors. By using glass, you'll be able to see what flavors are inside, but if you need more clarification, just use some label paper to identify your bottles. To optimize your space, you could use jars to contain your coffee in a neat and effective way. Coffee bags can clutter your drawers and create a big mess. Instead, tidy up your coffee using beautiful glass jars which fit with the glass bottles and also add a nice touch to your kitchen. You can use different jars for different flavors, depending on your machine. We choose to give an example of different types of coffee. But if you have capsules, normally the store offers multiple flavors and also decaf as options to put in different jars. You can use the same labeling paper if you want for easy identification. Just add the jars to the ready-set stand and our coffee corner is almost complete. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops or full cabinets as we introduce a clever space-saving solution for organizing your coffee cups. It's as simple as can be. Just embrace the magic of this Wenco mug holder. Attach the hooks to your kitchen cabinets and voila! Your coffee cups will hang in an easily accessible and beautifully organized way. To finish our project, we can give it that special personal touch. A chalkboard message board to get your own spirits up, or leave that lovely message for that special someone still trying to wake up. Just get a wooden plank and add some primer with a brush. Let it dry and add a layer of chalk paint. Depending on the paint, sand lightly and add another layer. After 2 to 4 hours, once it's dry, you can write your favorite affirmation, slogan, or message and add it to your corner. With creating your own coffee station, you'll never want to go out for coffee again. Koimon has the tools you need to help you with this project.